Let's flip. Many people have been asking, what is authentic learning and what is flip learning? I've been teaching in Singapore for quite some time now. I educate some teachers out there. And to me, authentic learning is real learning. That is how learning should be. That good-looking gentleman to the right, to my right, to your left maybe. That is Sir Isaac Newton. We're going to talk about him a little bit later. What is authentic learning? Authentic learning is real learning, and is learning made real. It's as simple as that. I really can't define it any simpler than that. What is flip learning? You would have read about this where children do homework in school and schoolwork at home and videos at home and homework is done in school and discussion and all that stuff. To me, flip learning means this. Content can be now learned anywhere. It could be learned using a device. It could be learned using your mobile phones, your tablets, your computers. Content can be learned anywhere outside the classroom. There is no necessity for a teacher to stand for about 40 minutes and just discuss theories and formulas anymore. We can record it and we can let you hear it at home, at the privacy of your house, at your own pace. In the classroom, we can make it exciting. So if that is flip learning, can you imagine? We can make the entire world a classroom. Anything and anywhere can be turned into a classroom. That is the most exciting thing about flip learning for me. Authentic learning is real learning. Combine the two and you've got the most magical learning process on the face of the planet. Now let's go towards the evolution of learning. How should learning evolve? Or how was it in the past when Sir Isaac Newton was alive? Some sort of an apple dropped on his head, right? Thank God it was an apple. If it was a durian or a jackfruit or some really, really heavy fruit, he wouldn't be writing about gravity anymore. It would be somebody else, right? So gravity was founded by Sir Isaac Newton and he wrote about it. And let's think about what could have happened. Apple drops, he gets inspired, he starts thinking about it, he starts researching about it, and he gets deeper and deeper. He gets a very deep understanding, he does experiments, he starts enjoying the process. And when the time came to document it, he documented it, right? So there was a lot of stuff done and then he documented it. What do we do today? We study the documentation. What about the rest? What about everything else? What about the excitement? What about the fun? What about the getting your fingers burned and all that good stuff that is really associated with learning? We don't do any of that, but we do the documentation part. And then we study that and then we get tested on that and we feel, wow, we've understood that material. No, what you have done is you have absorbed information. That's what you have done. Is that classified as learning? To the world, yes. Personally, to me, that is, you have absorbed information. Learning happens when you do everything else. You do and you learn. Read and you remember, watch and listen and you recognize, do and you learn. We've got to start focusing on the doing. And what authentic learning and flip learning allows is for that to happen. Now, that is flip learning, that is authentic learning. Let's hear some comments, let's do some more videos. Educators around the world, join us at SCORE Campus and PACE. Also join us at Authenticon Asia 2015. We're looking to bring Authenticon around the world. Join us. Let's learn together. Let educators of the world come together for this one. Let's flip.